Exchange.
What's up, guys? Your boy Russ again, back with another one. On this one, man, we're gonna do a cheap, easy mod for B, which is gonna be some interior lights that I picked up. As you guys can see, the lights are right here. They are from Govee on Amazon. All the interior lights are right here. It's only 4 strips. Plug and play. Easy, you plug it into the cigarette lighter spot. Bam. Here's a controller. So yeah, we about to hop in, get this thing installed. Should be super quick, super easy. So let's do it. Like, do you want it like easily accessible or what? Cause I just want to put it in a good spot for you. Like, cause if I put it right here, is that good? Like right here. Yeah. Like, I just want you to be able to freaking, you know, that. Access it quick. Okay. Cause I was gonna put it down here. So I'm like, is she gonna be able to mess with it down here? Like that.
I could too. It's just pressing it from there. And the easiest way not to knock it every time I do it.
Well, up here. All right, guys, I got it done. What do you say? It took me about 10 minutes.
Yeah.
I'm sweating hard as hell. This is why I don't like doing stuff. Because once I start sweating, I don't stop. But we got everything in place. I'm gonna be screwing it in and zip tying it later. Right now it's just a 3M on it, but I think it's gonna look good. I'm gonna let you guys see it real quick. As you guys see right there. Looks pretty good. You can change to all different colors. Apparently it has a music mode. It has all kind of modes. Like I said, the brand is called Govee. It's on Amazon. I'll put the link down below in the description where you can find this product. I think it was about 30 bucks. You know me, I'm sponsored by Lighting Trends. I'm gonna go with Lighting Trends on Raven, but this is not a bad product. Let's see, go back to the solids. I'm gonna close the garage so you guys can see it better. And the only thing I don't like is I'm a real stickler about cords, you know, being everywhere. I'm gonna have to figure out what to do with these cords right here, but like I said, it looks good. You want to sit in there and look at it?
It's also, it has music, like control the music, like it goes to the beat of the music.
Oh, thanks, baby. You're so nice.
I'm gonna have to fix this one. As you guys see, this is the rear. Like I said, it's not a bad product. Looks good. The ones in the back are kind of showing, but it's like, who cares? The seats are leaned back anyway. I think it looked good.
Thank you.
You're welcome. I just stopped playing. Oh. How many modes is there on this? Supposedly it's 1 billion modes on this thing, you know, as far as the lights. And like she was saying, it's a music mode where you can sync up to the music and change the lights. I like that purple in here though. Yeah. Yeah, that'll be legit. In Raven, it's not bad. All right, so once again, guys, here it is. Here's the product. You can find it on Amazon. Super easy to install. Comes with the zip ties. I'll be zip tying the wires down. And I'll be putting some screws in, you know, just to make sure it's secure and it won't fall off. Comes with the directions. everything, but you don't really need that. Trust me, it's super simple. Just tuck away your wires, zip tie your wires, screw it in, and you're pretty much done. It's a good product. You did good, kid. All right, guys, like I said, it was an easy, quick install. You can find the product on Amazon. I'll put the link down below in the description where you can get it. Super cheap, super easy. We got it done. Probably took about 10, 15 minutes at the max because I was BSing. But turned out great. I love it. She loves it. That's all that matters. So if you're new to the channel, go ahead and smash that like button, subscribe, turn on that notification bell, stay up to date with all the new content. Peace.